when the war broke out between Vybz Kartel and Mavado, and remember, both of them were recording over at Big Ship. Yeah. Steven, because you said Steven didn't really want to get into the artist again. Mm-hmm. Your song was a first song, and then he recorded a song with Kartel, and he recorded one with Mavado too, where it was just them. So what was it like now around Ship when these two are really kicking off now, and you're the big brother that has to watch out to what's going on?
But you know what, though? For us, it wasn't as tense as the immediate parties that were involved. Because one thing, despite where them have a go on, there was always that respect for my father, for the studio, and for Stephen, and for us. So it was already established, say, yo, we have business about phone thing. You know what I mean? We and Gully, good. We and Gaza, our empire at the time, we and them good. You know what I mean? That have nothing to do with we. So, yeah, there are numerous times when them buck up together and them have to just keep the peace. Bear in mind, a man just shoot off a man around the road earlier, but them know say, yo, when you reach a ship, you have to hold it because you can't violate around a ship. And I mean, even outside of them, just generally, like a big part of the energy we hear with the songs with all the artists recording is just the atmosphere. It's more like a home vibe when the artists them, and I'm sure any artist that ever recorded around there, especially around that time, them can confirm this. It's just a home vibe. You don't feel like, you know, you're in a standard studio setting where people are bother you and harass you. It's just a home vibe. You're there, you work. Randomly a plate of food reach you. Yeah. If you smoke a bud of herb reach you randomly, like, you know what I mean? It's just love. You know, so that was that. So yeah, and that helped with the chemistry with Stephen and Kartel and with Stephen and Mavado, because there was the mutual respect and trust. They trusted Stephen to lead.
So even when the war is going on and they're warring and they're still coming to record, they don't think that Stephen is going to leak what's happening in their session with the other one. So then it's really a trust factor with Stephen and Freddie and all you guys over there.
Yeah, it's a trust factor. And also Stephen is the score for this movie. Yeah. You know what I mean? So it's a mutual beneficial partnership as well. You understand them? No, say, yo, Stephen is, you know what I mean, no pun intended, the genius behind all of this.
Yeah. No, all pun intended.
All right. So.
All right.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.